B here. B1. Next, A2, B2. This will be A3. Rough diagram, not up to this scale. A4, B4, A5, B5. Finally, A6, B6. Just some time intervals, we assumed it.
Sir,
Your
voice is cracking, sir.
voice is cracking. Huh?
No, sir, it is clear.
No, sir, it's clear only.
Just check your side. Okay, there will no. Now okay.
Sir, instead of B3, have
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, B1, B2. Okay, B3 there. I'll do correction here. Fine. So you do one thing, just join them with the lines. This is A1. This is A2. This is A3. This is A4. Let this be A5. Look at the.
Sir, it would take only 5 seconds to reach B naught, sir.
Poor. Air Force need a lot of technology. There we are lagging. Okay, I'll come here now. VBA. So let the I'll make it a situation like. I'll solve this problem in a very simple way. You know, there's a distance of separation. There's a person A. I will make VBA. VBA, what direction will come? So let's analyze the vector diagram. VBA. VA bar is like this. VB is like this, no? Minus VA bar. So VBA bar, VB minus VA bar. So if you take the vector diagram, this will be VB, this will be minus VA. The resultant vector will come somewhere here. Okay, now when B looks at A, how you feel? B, when he looks at the ground, how do you feel? Is moving along X, Y axis. So in along Y axis. So I'll give for you. When B looks at the ground, he feels he's moving along Y axis. When A looks at the ground, he feels he's moving along. When B looks at A, how he feels he's moving? He feels he's moving somewhere in this direction. I will indicate that. I'll shift this. So VBA direction, here it will come like this. Now what is this? Path of B with respect to A. BBA, you write it. This is like a, so what I should give name? I should give name this as path of then what will happen to person B when he starts moving like this, or the object starts moving like this, the A will appear at it, but practically what happens, the A will be moving. So now I'll go for the distance here. So I'll drop a perpendicular. Call this is M. This is what the minimum distance. So how you can say minimum? I think you know enough geometry. So as a B further starts moving, as B further starts moving, I'll draw one more line. Now look at this. As B, when B is here, tell me like what is the distance? It will be greater than this S minimum. When B is here, what is the distance? It will be greater than that. I'll draw some reference lines, then I'll erase it. You look at these lines. The blue color line's length is greater than that of yellow color. Among all this, you draw several lines. What's wrong in that? You draw several lines. You see when this among all this AM is what the shortest length, no? That AM is what shortest length. So therefore, this is S minimum. This has to be determined. So already we know distance D. Somehow if you can get this theta, my problem will be solved. How to bring the theta? The theta, can I bring it here? The theta, can I bring it here? Do make observation. This theta, can I bring it here? Because what is this V by theta with vertical? So this is with vertical. So tan theta, or let's go for the minimum distance. So sine theta. I'll write everything at one place. You'll get confused. VBA. From the vector diagram, we brought it. Okay, let's come for this. Sine theta is equal to sine theta. So what is sine theta from the from here? Come for this vector triangle. VA by VBA. VA by VBA. What is VBA? Anybody? What is VBA? We don't know VBA, no? How to get VBA? VBA is root of BA square plus VB square. Okay, I'll substitute this. The S minimum will be finish or no? So we directly brought a formula. That has minimum separation between them. We brought a formula. Okay, similarly the time at which the separation becomes minimum. This is t equal to 0, the person B is here, and at this particular time the B will be a no. Okay, now this time has to be determined. For that, can we go for what is VBA? Is it a constant or variable? VBA will be constant. No? VA and VB are constant, VBA constant. So what type of motion the VBA will describe along BM, uniform velocity motion. So what is the formula for that? VBA is equal to SM by T. This T minimum, this T has to be determined. So for that, we don't know, oh sorry, BM. We don't know BM, how to calculate BM. Cos theta. So any formula can you write here? Cos theta is equal to BM by D. So this will become D cos theta. I'll scroll down. Somebody please mute it. So BM equal to, I'll substitute the value of BM. BM by, this is VBA value how much? Let me keep as it is. So what is cos theta? Again from vector triangle. What is cos theta? What is cos theta? VB by VA. Sin theta is, substitute this, VBA I'll further slider. Cos theta, you can write it as VB by the minimum time. The time at which the separation will be minimum. I think this is a basic problem. This is enough to solve most of the questions you can manage. I'll show complete thing in one window, everything. Okay, see now what all we discussed. No, it is like this.
Sir,
Yeah.
VBA value is not always root over of VA square plus VB square, right?
What do you mean by always? What do you mean by always?
Here, because the velocities are perpendicular to each other, we got them to be like this.
Okay, in this problem, I did like this. It's not like something, sir, thank you very much formula, I can solve any problem. No. There's a one. In this situation, the formula is ended up like this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I'm not saying, okay, this particular, okay, there's a formula, okay, now go and solve any problem. I'm telling there's a method. This method will help you to solve most of the problem, not this formula. Got it? Now, say you might have made observation. There are two things are there. What is that? Triangle. There are triangles. There are two triangles are there. What is that? Velocity triangle. Let me draw them so that will be very easy for you. So in every numerical weapon, you have to search these triangles only. The total problem just revolves around this drawing the velocity triangles. Fine. Then displacement triangle. So what is this? This is a velocity triangle. I'll give you name so that it'll be easy for you. Velocity triangle. This is the displacement triangle. So our entire numerical is all about obtaining this triangle. Once you know this triangle, rest of everything we can manage. Video, let it be there, no? Let it be there. Pavan Teja, many need video. If any problem comes, okay, I'll switch off.